Hi, this is Andrew in Oxford. I just wanted to thank Timbercrest Roofing and Steve in Dallas for doing a wonderful job on our roof. At first, we didn't think that we'd be able to get 100% of the roof covered by insurance, but Steve was able to pull it off and get with the adjuster, and we were definitely surprised about that. And Dallas and the crew did a wonderful job. Everything is very clean and neat, and they worked extremely hard. There was a pretty warm spell in May, and they worked their butts off through it all, and we definitely appreciate it. So, just want to kind of show you some things here on the roof. You can see just how straight all the lines are for the ridges. Ridge cap is nice and straight. The flashing around our chimney, everything very neat and clean there. Electrical line and our vents. And you can just see the attention to detail in spots like this, just very neat and clean. You can tell that everything is very secure. So from up here it looks great, from on the ground it looks great. You can tell everything was done correctly and couldn't be happier. Thanks again, Timbercrest.